Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have covered the viewing pipeline and viewing parameter. So today we have discussed viewing coordinate. In the viewing coordinate, we can discuss how the conversion is possible to the world coordinate to viewing coordinate, or how the transformation can be possible to world coordinate to viewing coordinate. All these things we have discussed today. Okay, so let us discuss in detail. Viewing coordinate. Okay, a view of an object in 3D is similar to the photographing the object. In which manner we can capture the object, or you can photograph the object. Okay, whatever appears in the viewfinder is projected into the flat film surface. This one is our viewing coordinate, or this one is our the camera analogy. According to the camera analogy, how it can take place, all these things are included in the viewing coordinate. Okay, the type and size of the camera lens determines which part of the scene appear in the final picture, and the ideas incorporated to the 3D graphics package so that views of a scene can be generated and give the spatial position, orientation, and aperture of the size of the camera. Position means in which point of view we can capture the image, from the top or from the bottom, or from the left side or the right side, or in front of or behind, all this direction. Okay, and the orientation means in which way uh, mm, we can capture the camera. Okay, and aperture of size means the camera lens will be the distance of the camera which it covered. Okay, then in this way we can capture the image or photograph the object, photographing the object. Then the conversion of object description from world coordinate to viewing coordinate is equivalent to the transformation that superimposes the viewing reference frame onto the world frame using the basic geometric translate or rotate operations. Okay, that means in a simple word we can say that the conversion of object from world coordinate to viewing coordinate can be possible to a geometric transformation method. In the geometric transformation, basic geometric transformation method, we can read different types of method. One is our translation method, rotation method, scaling method, and another in the advance we also covered reflection, shearing. All these things we have covered in the geometric transformation method. But when we can convert, or conversion is possible from world coordinate to viewing coordinate, here the basic geometric transformation operation will be included, which one is our translate and rotate operation only will be covered. Okay, first we translate the view reference point to the origin of the world coordinate system. Okay, then we apply rotation to align xv, uv and zv axis. xv, uv and zv axis are the viewing coordinate system, with the world coordinate which is our xw, yw and zw axis respectively. Okay, to convert world coordinate to viewing coordinate, a series of simple transformation is needed. Okay, first we translate it, then we rotation x axis, then we rotation y axis, then we rotation z axis. All these four steps are included in this conversion. Okay, mainly a translation of the coordinate origin onto each other, and afterwards 3 rotation such that the coordinate axes are also coincide, 2 rotation for the first axis, 1 for the second axis, and third axis is already correct them. Okay, of course all these transformation can be merged by multiplication into one matrix which looks about like this. Okay, that means this one is our final matrix which all the transformation method we can cover. That means in this diagram, this one is our world coordinate, this one is, this black lines are these axis coordinate positions are world coordinate, and this one is our viewing coordinate. Okay, here in the world coordinate, this one is our xw, yw and zw. In this world coordinate, the viewing coordinate is our xv, yv and zv. So after that, when we convert it to the world coordinate to viewing coordinate, so we can follow these steps. First we translate it. Okay, first we translate it means translate to the origin. That means this point is our, this point, the xv, yv and zv, 3 lines are connected in a one point. This point is known as our view reference point or vrp. This view reference point is translated to the origin point. This one is our origin point. Here this point is our origin point. Okay, so in this way we can translate to the origin point. After translating to the origin point, we can rotate x axis to the xw line. That means xv can be rotated in the xw line. Then we can rotate, no, in the, here the feed can be zv, that means viewing z axis can be rotated in the zw axis. After that we can rotate xv, which one is our rx, rotation x axis. Then after that we can rotate into the yv, which one is our rotation y axis. That means when we convert or modeling world coordinate to viewing coordinate, we can we can multiply the matrix rotation z into rotation y into rotation x into t. T means translation. So after that the matrix form is looks like this. The for equation is, so after that we can finally we can convert from world coordinate to viewing coordinate. Okay, so in this way the conversion can be possible. Next one is our projection. So we can give a little bit idea about what is projection. We will completely cover in the next class, but today we have a little bit idea about the projection. Projection is the process of converting a 3D object into 2D objects. Okay, that means projection operation convert the viewing coordinate description, means 3D, to coordinate position on the projection planes, which one is 2D. Okay, it is also defined as mapping or transformation of the object in projection plane or view plane. This view plane is displayed the surface. This view plane is display surface. Okay, so and also projection can be two types. One is our parallel projection and another is our perspective projection. Parallel projection also can be different types. One is orthogonal, another one is oblique, and perspective projection also a different types of 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective, or 3 point perspective. Okay, so in this way different types of projections are there. So all these things we have covered in the next class. So today we have discussed about viewing coordinate. Okay.